So hey guys, in this video we will be gonna be creating a barcode detector and barcode generator using Python from scratch using a Python library that is Barcode, and we will also install it using pip, and we will doing all things in this video, and I will be demonstrating you with a real world example. So firstly, let us understand what is barcode and how it works. So barcode scanning, it is a we scan barcodes something like this bit. Suppose on any product or wherever you see the barcode something like this, it contains information related to the product or something, any service that you are product you are getting, or it is a barcode. It is a barcode and it is a QR code. It contains the value, the information regarding to the product that helps it directly scans and get that information. So how do we can generate this barcode and put information inside this barcode? That is not possible for any human to get those, but it is easier for computers to do that processes and make this, put this information inside this image, this QR code or this barcode. We will also see how we can create this QR code in this particular video. So to make this project, you need to first install the Python from python.org website, and download any, download any of the Python version that you can from the download section. By clicking here and downloading here, you can click on the download option, you can download the Python on your desktop. And while installing the Python and doing the setup, remember one thing: to Python, wait, Python pip to path, remember adding Python to path. You are getting this, remember checking this checkbox, this add Python to path, whenever you are installing the Python. And then the second step comes, remember, once you install the Python, open a terminal, then type pip install, wait, let me close this, open a terminal or command prompt on Windows. This is Linux system, so I'm using my terminal to install the barcode module. Make sure your internet connection, you have an internet connection on your system. So type the pip install barcode and press enter, and it will, the module will be installed on your computer. In my, it is showing that already satisfied, requirement already satisfied. And once it get done, it's done, close this and open your text editor. You can open notepad or Python idle, but in my case I'm using Visual Studio Code. If you want this, you can search similarly Visual Studio VS Code, download, and simply following this step you can do that too. So once you open the Visual Studio Code, install the Python from here. Python, if it's not installed, install it from marketplace. And then it's simple, we have installed the barcode from using pip. Then you need to install EAN13. EAN13 is basically a class of barcode module that helps you to generate the image, and it's the made the my code object. So basically that's it. The whatever data you want to put inside the barcode, you need to write here. Suppose let us say I put this value, it should be around 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 4 4 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yes, that's it. So you have to put that data on number, and whenever you pass that variable into the EN13 class, it will create a my code object. Remember putting the image writer instance in the writer. Then using dot save function, you can create a barcode image on your local, on your relative path of the file. Whenever you, after you run this code, wait a second. Here comes the error that cannot import name en13 from particular initialized module barcode. Wait, let me check it. Yes, so basically the error was there. We tried to create the file name as barcode. Actually, whenever we use any module, we don't have to make the file name with that module name. It conflicts there. So I'm using barcode module, so I don't have to name the Python file as barcode. It will be get conflicted. Barcode program, I can write prog by barcode prog, and that's it. It should work now. And when I try to run this creates a barcode.png. Whenever I open this, whenever you scan this barcode, it will show you this value, this digit, as I as I input it as here, input that here. If I change this as something like this, 1 2 5 4 3 2 1 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, it will 13 digit long, and I run this, it again creates a new barcode image that is with the same text that is here. And that's it. This was the how you can generate a barcode using a Python. You can write any information here, and that will be put on that barcode. I request you to try this on your PC, on your system, by simply installing Python on your computer, then installing barcode using pip. It's a simple, very basic mini project. And if you face any problem or something, implementation or writing code, you can visit to our site helpletsense.com, and there you will see on latest post. You can go there, you will see a few posts added, and down below you will also see a barcode project using AN13. They have implemented this, and you can read this. Demonstration is also shown here, and the code also you can copy from here. So that's it for this barcode project. And uh, yes, that's it. And if you want to see the QR code one, QR code is pretty interesting on itself, as it where is it? Yes, here, as it detects and generates at the same time. Suppose I want to generate a QR code with a data like this. Suppose I want to generate a QR code of this, and I want to put the text inside it, like whenever someone scan this, he must be shown this. Wait, what? This. Subscribe to this channel for data science related videos. And when I hit enter, first I'm demonstrating, then I will explain you this code. And it generated the QR code, and whenever you scan, I request you to scan this code. Wait, let me do this. Now I request you to scan this image, and the text you will be shown will be this. What is there? Subscribe to my channel for data science related videos. I request you to scan this and let me know in the comments down, did this worked or not. And if you want to detect what is written on any QR code, you can also do that with this CV2 open CV library. With this QR code detector function, you need to pass the image path here, that is QR code.hds.png, that is this. And whenever I run this, it will show you this, that subscribe to this channel for the related data science related videos that we initialized here, and put on the QR code. And then whenever we detect this from this, we detected this QR code image, it showed us this. You can also do this using your smartphone QR code detector. This should show something like this. So when we have to generate the QR code, basically we need to import QR code library that you can install from your terminal, like pip install QR code, and this should install it. In mine, requirement already satisfied. In your, it should begin. Make sure your internet connection is on. Then you have to import the QR code. After that, make a variable and put the information that you want on that QR code. After that, make a QR code file. You can name it any. Suppose let me change it for new. It will create a new PNG file, new image file where the new QR code will be added. New. So when I run this, it will make a new QR code underscore new dot png here. QR code underscore new png here. And whenever you scroll this, you will get this. Hope you understand that. And to create the QR code, we are using make function and then save function to save this, and that's it. It is a pretty a basic and mini project kind of. You can integrate this with other things like Python Flask and other UI, something like Kinter or on use on app development and make it take it to the another level. And then similarly for detector, we are using im read function to read the file name, to read this image. Then once we have read this file, then we are making a detector object, detector instance of QR code detector, and and passing the image variable, image file name that we initialized here to this path, and printing the data which we got from here. Means we are decoding the file from the image file from here and displaying it as data, and that's it. This is how it's working. Wait, let me show you the new. We created the new QR code. This was new QR code underscore new dot png, and when we detect this, it will print the QR code data, then print data which is inside this QR code. And if it is we face some error, this will the error was there was some error will be shown. QR code data, QR code data printing, and then inside this data we have this new subscribe to this channel for data science related videos. Data we getting from detector. This we are passing the image to this detector, which we created an instance of this class QR code detector class from OpenCV library, and that's it for this video. Subscribe to this channel for upcoming data science related videos and tutorial kind of videos. See you next project video of machine learning and data science related video. Till then, hit that bell notification and share this video to your data science learning, to your friends who are learning data science. Thanks.